Hello, in this video, I'll give you an overview of the ARMember General options. This is the ARMember General Settings page, where you can configure the main settings for your ARMember plugin. The first option is Hide Admin Bar. Enabling this option hides the WordPress Admin Bar for users when they visit your website. To see how this option works, let's visit the front end of the website and log in as a user. The member is now logged in, and as you can see, the admin bar is currently visible. Next, return to the backend and enable the Hide Admin Bar option. ARMember also provides an Exclude Roles option, allowing you to choose which user roles should continue to see the admin bar even when the Hide Admin Bar option is enabled. Once you've finished, click the Apply Changes button to apply and save the changes. The changes have been saved successfully. Let's return to the front end and refresh the page. As you can see, the Hide Admin Bar option is now working and the admin bar has been hidden. Now let's move back to the backend and review the next setting. The next option is Rename wp-admin. Using this feature, you can change the default wp-admin folder name. Before configuring this option, let's visit the front end and verify that the website is currently using the default wp-admin URL. As you can see, the website is currently using the default wp-admin URL. Now let's go back to the backend, enable this option, and continue with the configuration. When enabling this option, an important note will be displayed. Please read it carefully. ARMember also provides a recovery URL. If you're unable to log in after renaming the wp-admin URL, you can use this URL to roll back all changes and restore the default settings. Now close the note and enter a custom name for the wp-admin folder. After that, click the Apply Changes button to save your changes. The changes have been saved successfully. As you can see, the admin user has been logged out. Enter your login credentials and click the Login button. The admin user is now logged in successfully. As you can see, the URL has been changed from the default wp-admin URL to the custom URL we configured. Next, return to the ARMember General Settings page. Now let's explore the next option, Hide wp-login.php page. Now let's go to the front end of the website. Here you can see that the website is currently using the default wp-login.php page. If you want to hide this page, simply go back to the backend and enable this option. Now click the Apply Changes button to save the settings. Then return to the front end of the website. Now refresh the page and check the result. As you can see, the wp-login.php page is no longer accessible, and the user is being redirected to the login page instead. Now let's move back to the backend and see how the Hide Register Link option works. When this option is enabled, the registration link will no longer be displayed on the wp-login.php page. To properly demonstrate this feature, first disable the Hide wp-login.php page option and save the changes. Now, let's return to the front end and check the registration link. If you want to hide the registration link, simply enable the option. Otherwise, you can leave it disabled. Let's go back to the backend and take a look at the next option, Disable ARMember Styling on wp-login page. When this option is enabled, users will see the default WordPress login page design. Now, click the Apply Changes button to save the settings. Then switch to the front end. Now, refresh the page to see the changes. As you can see, the ARMember login page styling has been removed, and the default WordPress wp-login.php page is now visible. Now let's move back to the backend and see how the auto-lock shared account feature works. When this option is enabled, ARMember will automatically log the user out from all other active sessions and keep only the current session active. Please note that this feature applies only to new login sessions after the option is enabled. The next option is Enable Gravatars. This setting lets you enable or disable Gravatar support in ARMember. When enabled, it displays member profile pictures across the admin and front-end areas, including member lists, profiles, and directories, with support for BuddyPress and BuddyBoss. The next option is Allow Image Cropping. Enable this option to allow users to crop their profile pictures during upload. The next option is Enable Spam Protection. ARMember provides spam detection to prevent unwanted registrations. If enabled, it blocks spam entries and keeps your site secure. If disabled, anyone can register on your website. The next option is New User Approval. ARMember provides 3 approval methods: automatic approval, email verification approval, and manual approval by admin. You can choose how new users are approved during registration based on your website requirements. You can choose any option based on your requirements. The next option is Default Currency. ARMember provides multi-currency support, allowing you to set and manage different currencies. Now let's go to the front-end setup page and check where the changes are applied. This is the ARMember setup page. As you can see, the membership plan price is currently displayed in US dollars. Next, return to the backend and select a different currency. After that, save the currency settings, then return to the front end and refresh the page. As you can see, the selected currency is now displayed on the membership plan. ARMember also allows you to create and use custom currencies. Now let's return to the backend and configure one. Here, add the currency symbol and currency short name. Then select whether the symbol should appear before or after the amount. After that, click the Add button to create the custom currency. It's a simple and quick process to add your own custom currency. ARMember also provides a feature to customize decimal values. The next option is Profile Permalink Base. This setting is available only when the Social Features add-on is activated. It allows you to choose whether member profile URLs use the username or the user ID as the profile slug. The next option is Load JS and CSS in all pages. By default, ARMember loads its files only where required. Enable this option only if you face JS or CSS loading issues on your website. The next option is Badge Icon Size. This setting controls the size of member badges displayed in profile and member directory templates. That's it. This is how you can configure and manage the general options in ARMember.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.